everyone, welcome back to our Serbian lesson. So today we will talk about how to use se in Serbian. Last few days, Sushi, one of our learners, asked in the forum in Langoid, when do I use se in Serbian? You can see this topic under grammar and theory. So when to use, how to use se in Serbian? I put here below my reply, my explanation, but this video is just an additional explanation so that it will be much more clear when to use se in Serbian grammar. So there are three types of se verbs in Serbian grammar. The pravi povratni, uzajamno povratni, nepravi povratni. So pravi povratni is true reflexive, uzajamno povratni is true reciprocal, and nepravi povratni is irregular. So we will talk these three types of se in this lesson. Let's go first with pravi povratni, true reflexive. The meaning of pravi povratni is that the subject of the sentence is doing something to themselves. So it's doing something to themselves, to yourself. They are both the one doing the action and the one receiving the action. So it's like they're doing something to themselves. So I put example words here. Kupati se, taking a bath. Umivati se, washing face. Shminkati se, putting makeup. Oblachiti se, wearing clothes. So kupati se, taking a bath. So when you put se, it means that you are taking a bath of self. Is it yourself? Is it myself? Or is it himself? It's both one doing the action and one receiving the action. I put example sentence here, which is kupam se, I'm taking a bath. And under that is my explanation. So in this example, you are saying that you are taking a bath by yourself. Kupam is taking a bath plus se. It means that you are taking a bath of yourself. You're taking a bath. But if you remove se, it will remain kupam. It means that you are taking a bath of something or someone. So you must add an object. Kupam whom you are taking a bath or whom you're bathing. I put here an example. Kupam bebu means that you are bathing the baby. Baby here is the object. But if you put se instead of bebu, it means that you are bathing yourself. You are taking a bath. You yourself is the object of the sentence. That's why kupam se. So as you remember, the meaning is both the one doing the action, I'm doing the action which is taking a bath, and the one receiving the action. I'm doing bathing, so I do it. I'm the one who doing the action, and also I receive that action which is taking a bath. So that is the pravi povratni. Another example sentence, shminkati se, putting makeup. If you will say shminkam se, I'm putting makeup on myself. I am doing the action to myself. But if I will say shminkam moju sestru, so it means that I'm not putting makeup on myself, but I'm putting makeup on my sister. So that is the pravi povratni, which is the subject of the sentence is doing something to themselves. Let's go to uzajamno povratni, which is true reciprocal. Means the action that is performed between two or more subjects, two or more reciprocally. So two persons perform reciprocally. So it means that the subjects are perform the same action towards each other simultaneously. Let's have this word example. Videti se. seeing each other. So you need two persons to see each other. Videti se, voleti se, loving each other. Ljubiti se, kissing each other. Grliti se, hugging each other. Svažati se, arguing each other. Tuči se, fighting each other. I put here the example sentences, which is vidimo se. I suppose this is the phrase which you are hearing most of the time, the most common phrase. Like for example, you are visiting someone and you need to leave and you will say, okay, ciao ciao, vidimo se. You can hear that really often. That is the Uzayam no povratni, which is the true reciprocal. Vidimo se, we are seeing each other. So it needs two person or more to see each other. In this example, the subjects are performing the action reciprocally or in two ways. Vidimo se, let's see each other. That person who say vidimo se, he will see that person whom he is talking, and that person who received that will see that person who just told that he will see that person. So that is that in two ways, performing the action in two ways. Another example is volimo se. It means that we love each other mutually. I love you and you love me. Performing the action reciprocally or in two ways. That is the Uzayam no povratni. Let's go to the third type of the se verbs in Serbian, which is the Nepra povratni. I translated the Nepra povratni as irregular because it is something you must memorize. You see, I put the meaning here. This is something you must memorize because there is no exact rule when you must add se in this type of se. One example for it is gaining weight, which is ugoyelasam se, and losing weight, which is smrshalasam without se. So both are talking about self, but just gaining weight using se. Ugoyelasam se. But smrshalasam is without se. Even they are talking about self. Both are talking about self, but just gaining weight using se and not when losing it. So that is one good example of Nepra povrat. I also put here the examples lagati se, agree, stideti se, being shy, igrati se, play, nadati se, hope. Example sentence is slažem se, I agree. When you agree to someone who is talking or advising, you say, okay, slažem se. You are agreeing. But you are agreeing to what the person is saying or telling. I put here, it doesn't mean that you are agreeing with yourself because he put se, slažem se. But instead, you are agreeing to that person what he or she is telling. You putting se because it needs to have se. So, I agree, slažem se. Another example is stidim se, I'm shy, which again doesn't mean that you are shy with yourself because you are adding se, but you are shy to do something. I'm shy to do that. You cannot put like stidim without se. You need to add se. Like for example, slažem se. You need to put se without any explanation why, but you must put se. This is the type that you need to memorize because there is no exact rule when you must add se. So that is that about the se Serbian grammar. So I hope I explained this better or more clear. That's it for this topic about using se in Serbian. So if some of you want to ask something about some specific grammar which you are confused and you don't understand at all, you can post it here in the forum so I can answer that in reply. I can create an explanation under the topic, and there are big chances that I will also create a video about it so that I can clarify that topic you posted. I encourage you to do so, and I'm hoping that you learned something today about the Serbian grammar, and I will continue uploading and sharing Serbian grammar to you, and let's see each other again. Vidimo se.